how to fix Roblox keeps crashing and freezing. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox crashing and freezing on your Windows PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, close the Roblox launcher completely. Once it is closed, now go to the search bar and type Device Manager. Open it, then expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list and hit Next to finish the update. Next, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience if you have an NVIDIA card. Update the drivers if there is any updates. After that, open Windows Update. Check for any updates and install everything available. Then restart your PC. After that, search for Roblox Player, right-click it, and choose Open File Location. Make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator are both checked. Click Apply, then OK. That's all for the video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.